Go my YouTube family. Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So today video I'm gonna make a red peas chicken soup. So I'm gonna share it with you all how I make my red peas chicken soup. Over here I have all my ingredients. So I'm gonna jump right into the intro and then we're gonna kick it off right there. So
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So this is all my ingredients I'm using for my chicken soup. Here I have 2 pounds of chicken. I already cut up and washed them with some fresh lemon. Here I have some red peas. Some people call it red kidney beans. Red peas, first we're gonna wash the peas and cook it. It have to cook before you put the food inside, before you even put the chicken and the pumpkin. If you don't do that, everything gonna cook out and the peas do not cook. So first we're gonna cook it first, and I'm using a dry coconut. I have to break the coconut from outside. So I'm using a dry coconut. We're gonna blend the coconut and use the coconut juice to add to the soup. So this soup is a traditional red pea soup. Here I have a piece of yellow yam. I have a chicken noodle and a pumpkin noodle. I have my flour, make some spinach dumpling. I have cocoa. I have chocho. I have carrot. I have a sweet potato, an Irish potato. Here I have scotch bonnet pepper. I have some garlic. I'm gonna add the garlic when I'm cooking the peas, so it could tender up the peas. The peas could cook real fast. I have my scallions, my thyme, my pimento. So now we're gonna jump right into the cooking process. First I'm going to go ahead and wash the peas, then I'm going to add it to the pot. Now I have my water boiling. I'm going to add the peas. First I'm going to cook the peas down. Some add the peas. Now I'm going to add my garlic. Just like that. I'm going to add more pimento, which is allspice. So now I'm going to allow this to cook. Soon as they cook, I'm going to add my chicken. Now my peas them actually cook. They're not fully cooked. So now I'm going to add the chicken. Remember, this is a red peas chicken soup. So I'm going to add the chicken. And I'm going to allow this to cook for 10 minutes before I add the food inside. So my YouTube family, my camera, my mic was paused for a second. I didn't realize. So I go ahead and add the food inside. I add the pumpkin. Then it's not, as you could see, it's not boiling as yet. So I add the pumpkin, the yellow yam, the cocoa, the chocho, as you could see. So now I'm gonna go ahead and allow this to boil. As soon as it come to a boil, I'm going to add my spinach dumpling before I add my coconut milk. So family, now I'm gonna put my spinach dumpling them in there. I have a video out how I make my dough for my spinach dumplings, so I'm gonna add them now. So you could go and check that video. So that's my spinach dumplings. Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna go ahead and blend the coconut for my soup. And I like a lot of food in my soup, so this is why my soup is healthy like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend my coconut for my soup now. So now I'm going to blend my coconut. So as you could see, I cut up the coconut so I could blend easily. I'm gonna add it to my blender. So now, finish blend. I'm going to strain this off. Just like this. So guys, I'm straight off. Then I'm gonna add the coconut milk to the soup. So this is the coconut milk I get from the coconut. So now I'm gonna add it to my soup. Oh, right to the brim. Give it a stir. So soon as this come to a boil, I'm going to add my season to my pot. My noodle, my soup flavored mixed noodles. I'm gonna add those. My scallion, my thyme, and a pinch of salt. So now I'm gonna cover this and make it come to a boil. So my people, now I'm going to add my noodle. I'm using the pumpkin and the chicken. The pumpkin flavor and the cut noodle. So now I'm going to add them to the pot. Going to stir it. Next I'm gonna go in with my scallion and my thyme. Now I'm adding some fresh thyme and fresh scallion to my soup. And 1 scotch bonnet pepper. I don't burst the pepper. So now give it a stir. This soup is thick, you can see it. Rich of flavor. Some people, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to my soup. Just a little bit. In the next 5 minutes, this soup should be ready. You can see, rich, thick. So in 5 minutes, the soup should be ready. So my family, my soup finished cooked. Now I'm turning off my stove. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. So my people, this is how my soup look when it finished. Rich and tasty. So I'm gonna tell you, now is winter. Now is the best time to try out this recipe. So go ahead and try out this recipe. I like to use the fresh coconut because it gives me a better flavor. But if you cannot get the fresh coconut, you could use the one from the can. Peace out.